managing work orders can be a real challenge. Tracking, assigning tasks, and ensuring timely completion is a struggle. Introducing OXmaint, the game changer. With OXmaint, managing work orders becomes a breeze. Create, assign, and track effortlessly. Missed inspections and delayed maintenance lead to costly breakdowns and safety hazards. OXmaint provides real-time tracking and data analytics to identify issues before they become problems. Paperwork and inventory chaos can be a nightmare. Searching for documents and managing parts is a real headache. But with OXmaint, say goodbye to lost paperwork and hunting for parts. It centralizes your inventory and document management. In a nutshell, OXmaint is your all-in-one solution for efficient maintenance operations. It's designed to tackle these problems head-on. Don't let maintenance hassles hold you back. Say hello to OXmaint and experience hassle-free maintenance management.